Howdy folks, welcome back to Resell Niche. My name is Mo, and on this channel we talk about reselling to do with eBay, Amazon, and everything else in that realm. All right, today I've got another mini haul. This one has a few sweaters since fall is approaching fast and winter after that. So let's get right into it. All right, first of all, why don't we start off with a sweater. Now, half of these I have already de-tagged because I started listing them already. So this is an LL Bean. This one was 50% off $7. I don't know if you can see the tag there. So it's 100% lamb's wool. I picked these up. If I can find these made in Norway, I believe it's even better. And if it was like Fair Isle, I mean, that's the best. Fair Isle made in Norway. That is the best for me. This one I'll probably list for, I don't know, 30 to 50 bucks, somewhere in there. I need to research these actually. All right, so this one is a jersey I picked up, and I don't know if it's fake or not, so I have to do some research on this. Hummel is a real brand, but I had trouble finding, I believe it's a Chinese sponsor, but usually the logo has the team logo on it. So I don't know if it's a Chinese team, Chinese league. I don't know. I have to find out. So anyways, that was 99 cents. And I'm always picking those types of things up. Now, I'm looking for new hats because my hats, I always wear the same one. People are saying that. So I picked this one up. I don't know if I'm going to wear it myself or not. It's actually more beaten up than I thought. But 99 cents, I like picking up Disney park stuff. Usually does pretty well. This one, actually, I looked at the comps. They're only like, I don't know, 10 bucks to 15 bucks. Nothing fancy. So I might just keep that for myself. Okay, so next up, I do some sourcing for Amazon too. This I found, I saw this at Thrift last week. It was, I guess the sticker wasn't anything, but now it's 50% off. It's only like $2 profit for this thingy because it is sealed. I picked up like 8 of them. I got a bunch of them like this bag right here. So, but Amazon is on the listing for 48 bucks, which is cool. So I'm gonna get these sent in today. Hopefully I'll be able to get that. And those were $7.50. All right. I always pick up toys. So this one, grab bag toy thing. The only reason I picked it up was because you can see in there, you can see the Bandai collectible Power Rangers figure in the middle there. I haven't even opened it up yet. So, first of all, this tag is still on there. On 98. Let's see. It's actually worth something. All right, this is actually not worth that much, I don't believe. I made a lot of these. I mean, it is vintage 1994. You can see right there. The focuses, but it says 94. But anyways, so the rest of the stuff in here is garbage. There's a guy who's blocking the entire shelf, and when it came out, this was there. This is new sealed Palm Pilot. Goes for, I believe, when I did a quick search, about 55 on Amazon. It's not a super fast seller, but you know, whatever. All right, and I picked up a couple of plush, which this Jiminy Cricket, I couldn't find an exact match. I found similar ones. It's about 22 inches. I mean, it depends. If I stretch it out, it's 24 inches. Walt Disney characters, so it is vintage. But that doesn't mean that much because this one actually isn't worth that much. There is a Jiminy Cricket right now, but it's a Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. It's like Stitch comes to Stitch versus Pinocchio. Stitch crosses with Pinocchio, something like that right now. On if you look up Jiminy Cricket and then look up the solds. And all the highest solds are from, looks like Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. So look that up because that was actually what I found when I looked up that Jiminy Cricket. That one right there, we'll have to see how much it goes for. That one I got for $4.99. This guy I got also I already took them out of the bag, so I can show you this. Speedy Gonzalez, new with the tags. One sold, I think, for $30. This one's $4.99 as well. So this is probably $30 plus shipping, I'm guessing. It's about 18 inches or 17 inches long. All right, let's go back to the sweaters again. So great, I just dropped everything. All right, I like LL Bean. It's not a super fast seller. This is another 100% lamb's wool, nice leather buttons there. It is extra large, so it's good size. I'm not a big fan of this when it's floppy at the bottom, like super kind of, I mean, I shouldn't say floppy at the bottom, stretched out a little bit. So we will see. This one, I'm guessing, will go, again, I'll put it up for like maybe $39.99, $29.99, and I'm guessing I'll get like a $25 offer off that. We will see. If it was made in Norway, it would be a lot better. Okay, so here's a funny one. I wish it was, I think it was 2018 when these were hot. A millennial still desperate for Monopoly? I don't know. So this was 50% off. Not a super seller, but I mean, I think it was ranked under 100,000 on Amazon. So I will just send this in, and yeah, I don't make that much, but it will go fast, relatively fast. All right, something I tried in the past, I'm gonna think about getting back to bike shirts. Now this logo was really, it just stood out to me. I wasn't even looking in this aisle, but this one was like sticking out a little bit, and it's like all over the back. And then when I looked up this brand right here, after I got home, I don't know if you can see that. It says Primal. You're not gonna be able to see that because it's all worn out. I don't know if you can see that. It says Primal Wear, I believe it is. They make a lot of bike stuff, a lot to do with music. Like I saw Rolling Stones one, Grateful Dead, stuff like that. So look up Primal or Primal Wear bike or cycle gear, cycle shirts, something like that, biking shirts. Some of them have gone for really good money. So I'm gonna start looking back into those biking shirts. All right, so this is another shirt that I got here. I thought this was cooler than it was. When I got it back, I found out no, because it was 50 cents. But see, junk food. Now I found out this is Urban Outfitters, I believe, from one of the solds that I didn't see when I was in the store. But it's long sleeves, Kawasaki, 50 cents. I should be able to get 20 bucks out of this, I believe, maybe 15 to 20 bucks, somewhere in there. But oh well, I saw the Kawasaki. I thought it was vintage. It was not. All right. I always pick up this if I can. Be careful though, because some of them don't go for that much. I have a bunch that only go for like 15 to 20 bucks. This one is weird. Some of the comps are a lot higher than the others. So I think this will go for about $50. So I got like 7 or 8 of these bags right here. These are all different power adapters and little diodes and things like that. But I've opened a couple bags. They're all sealed in there. They go for between $6 to $10 a piece, and I probably have about 70 of them. $1.98 a piece. So I'm gonna see. I haven't tested these out, but some of them are open, some of them are not. But majority that I have open so far have been sealed. I have bags and bags and bags. Kodak paper. I always pick it up if I can. Sealed, always sealed. I don't like sending. So this is an Amazon. Rank was not great, but I can also sell this on eBay. I'm guessing around 20 bucks. I can't remember the comp on that one actually. All right. Another baggie. How much should we sell this? Buy this for? $198. This one I bought because of this figure right here. I usually buy a piece of one figure. If I can find one figure that I think I looked that one up. The rest of the garbage. They're like McDonald's, Transformers, and Superman something. But one figure will go for 20 bucks in that. I have about 8 of these. These were 75% off. And they are sealed, and it's all colors. This one's black, and then there's other colors, cyan and blue. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, a bunch of these. So These ones I'm gonna send into Amazon too. They go for about $20 a piece. I believe those are like those square cartridges. On the inside, it's like a little thin square thing. This is a realistic. Let's see right here, 50% off that. $4.98. That's a realistic radio. Take it out. This was, I haven't tested it yet. Let's bust open the battery thing. No batteries, but it's not corroded at least. That's good. I just grabbed this. This was actually in between those other little RCA things that I just showed you. So it was actually in my cart by accident. And then I looked it up, and then they go for about 20 bucks or so. Used realistic vintage red AM FM radio. For my thrift shop, nobody's picking up the sweaters. All the newer tagged ones are there. So this one is a nice Fair Isle cable knit sweater, and this brand I looked up, Aaron Crafts. They make men's and women's. I believe this is men's, 100% wool, and it is made in Ireland. So this one right here, there's a couple comps that go for really good money, like 100, over 100. But then I'm guessing that this would probably go somewhere between 30 to 50 bucks. So shoot for the moon, and then maybe I'll get somewhere in the middle. All right, this guy right here, I found another one that was transformed. This guy, got this guy 50% off. This is a Disney Cars, Pixar Cars, Carrera Go. It's like a car set with a track. It's missing the back box, which is kind of weird. So every time I hold it, I'm like squeezing it in. But it was all complete. There was another one there that was a Transformers one that was missing the cars, which is the most important thing, I think. But anyways, that should go for, I'm guessing, 50 to 70 bucks. I like picking up train sets, car sets, that kind of stuff around this time of year because Q4, Christmas, obviously. So if you like this type of video, please check out our other videos. If not, I will see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.